Hello everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video, I share with you some vintage bathroom decoration ideas. Let's see the video. Vintage bathroom decor isn't just about old looking pictures. It's about creating a soft, nostalgic atmosphere that feels calm, lived in, and timeless. Here are layered practical ideas to help you design a beautiful vintage-inspired bathroom. Clawfoot top and classic features. A vintage bathroom often revolves around iconic fixtures. A clawfoot bathtub instantly adds antique charm. Choose cross-handle fetches in brass or bronze. A pedestal scene keeps the space airy and classic. Even if you cannot replace features, adding vintage-style taps or shower heads can transform the look. Ornate mirrors and wall details. Walls define the mood. Hang an ornate gold or distressed mirror. Install bedboard paneling for cottage charm. Use floral or damask wallpaper for a soft vintage feel. Vintage storage and accessories. Small details bring authenticity. Use wicker baskets for towels. Display items in glass apothecary jars. Add a vintage tray for perfumes or soaps. Install wooden shelves with a warm finish. Tip: keep things slightly imperfect. Vintage style loves a eclectic overtime look. Soft textiles and patterns. Textiles soften the space. Choose floral or pastel shower cushions. Add lace curtains for a dreamy touch. Use embroidered or crochet towels. Tip: stick to soft colors like cream, dusty rose, sage green, or border blue. Lighting and atmosphere. Lighting sets the emotional tone. Install wall sconces with warm bulbs. Use a small candlelight if space allows. Add candles for a cozy, romantic glow. Tip: avoid harsh white light. Warm lighting is key to vintage charm. Nature and finishing touches. Bring life into the space. Place fresh flowers on dried lavender. Hang botanical prints. Add a plant for freshness. Tip: even a single flower in a jar can elevate the entire vibe. Vintage windows and soft privacy. Windows can completely shape the mood. Use shared lace curtains instead of heavy blinds. Try frosted glass film for privacy with soft light. Add a wooden window frame look for rustic charm. The goal is filtered sunlight, not darkness. Ideas will help you. Thank you so much for watching the video.